and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you're new to my channel, what we do here is we use things around our house and make art. So it really doesn't matter what you have. I want you to be creative. If I'm using a supply that you don't have, how can you use what you have in your home to make what we're doing? Okay, so let's be creative. Your project doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but I just want us to make every day. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making some holiday drawings. So we're going to be making some reindeer, and we'll see what other kind of creatures happen on our Winter Wonderland page. So go grab a piece of paper, a pencil, maybe some colors, and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to draw on my landscape, I think I'm going to do like a rolling forest here. I'm going to draw my hills. So I'm just going to give myself the start of my landscape. I'm not going to do a lot, but there's my start. So I'm going to put an evergreen tree right here. And I'm going to start with the start of an A. And then I'm going to connect these with a wavy line. Then I'm going to go for the second layer of my tree, coming out with two angled lines. And then another wavy line. And again, we're going to go for that third one. And you could do more layers to your tree if you want. And then our tree trunk coming out of the bottom. And you can go ahead and decorate that tree however you want. If you want to put decorations on it, or we can just put some snow and do green. Over here, I think I want to have a little reindeer in my forest. So we're going to start with a U. And now we're going to add our ears to the side. Add the top of our head. Add antlers, which are kind of like the letter T in a bubble letter. And now we can add our body, which is going to be almost like an oval. Put a little tuft of fur on the chest. Two ovals for legs. And let's not forget our nose. We could make it Rudolph if we wanted to, or just any little deer in the forest. And we can go ahead and color him in. So let's think, what else do we want in our forest? Maybe over here, we can put a cute little snowman. I'm going to start by drawing my snowman's going to have a hat and a brim, a half circle coming out from the bottom, a scarf around his neck, and let's not forget, most importantly, you can have as many circles to your snowman as you want. Our eyes, a carrot nose, and our buttons. And lastly, we can put a house maybe back here. In the distance, we can put a little gingerbread house. So it's going to start off the same as the tree. We're going to have the letter A. Do that letter A again, connecting it. Come down for a rectangle. You can put a doorway, and you can decorate your little gingerbread however you want. We can add windows. and little candy. Don't forget about different kinds of lines, like a wavy line. Oh my goodness, it's almost looking like a face. But it won't once we start coloring it in. A little chimney. Have some little smoke coming out of it. And if we want, we can add more trees, we can add more things. Let's go ahead and color it in. And there is our cute little winter scene. Now you could add more trees. We can do lots of things. Remember, if something is further away, it's smaller. If it's bigger, it's closer, and it's closer to us. So I hope you had fun drawing our, oops, that's the backside, drawing our little winter wonderland. Hopefully you added some of your own details, your own flair. I'd love to see it. So remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.